Good afternoon. We will just quickly review the parental rights as they pertain to special education procedures in the state of Iowa. All students, including yours, would receive free and appropriate public education in the least restrictive environment. To break that down, free means that no services will be at any cost to you, and appropriate means that they will be the right kind of services for your child's need, and they will have the same access to activities and settings as students who are not disabled. And in a least restrictive environment, meaning that they will receive services with children who are not disabled if it is appropriate. You have the right to participation and the right to receive timely notice. You will be a participant in the evaluation, placement, identification, and evaluation for your child. For timely notice, you'll have the right to receive timely notice for identification, evaluation, reevaluation, or placement, or for any proposed changes. And you have a right to receive those notices in a manner and language that you understand. You have the right to give or withhold consent on any evaluation, reeval, initial placement, and you also have the right to withdraw that consent at any time. You have the right to review any and all educational records, and you have the right to ask that those records be changed if you believe they're incorrect or misleading. Disclosing records without your consent is allowed by law under some certain circumstances, which is if your child is transferring schools, we are forced to respond to a health or safety emergency, auditors request it, or if we need to be in compliance with a court order or subpoena. You have the right to resolve any disputes or disagreements that we may have in your child's education. You have the right to mediation or due process, which again will come at no cost to you. If there is a disagreement and you wish to pursue either mediation or due process, Iowa's area education agencies or the Department of Education can provide a mediator for some of these issues, and we can also resolve these through a due process if necessary. Transfer of rights, when your child turns 18, or if they are married under the age of 18, or if they become incarcerated before the age of 18, parental rights will transfer to your student or to the child when they become the age of majority, or if somebody decides to take the necessary legal steps to become that child's guardian. They will also receive a transfer of rights. This is just a brief summary of the procedural safeguards and your parental rights summary. If you have any additional questions, we do have the copy of the procedural safeguards manual available for you to review, and you can also discuss with myself as the administrator, or we can discuss with the teacher. Thank you very much.